It's hard to believe, but a single dollar can now do what $60 protein powders simply cannot. I've watched it with my own eyes, older adults who were once told they needed expensive supplements to stay strong suddenly rebuilding muscle using everyday foods that cost almost nothing. For decades, we've been sold the idea that health has to be complicated, that recovery requires powders, shakes, and ingredients you can't even pronounce. But the truth is simpler, cheaper, and honestly a little embarrassing for the supplement industry. That's because your body doesn't just need protein, it needs absorbable protein. The kind that comes with enzymes, minerals, and natural cofactors that disappear when powders are heavily processed. I've seen this happen again and again in my clinic. Seniors who had given up on fitness began regaining strength, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, and rebuilding confidence, all from small changes that cost less than a cup of coffee. Nobody talks about these foods because there's no profit in $1 solutions. But they work. And today, I'm going to show you exactly which ones. In this video, we're breaking down the 6 $1 foods that build muscle faster than expensive protein supplements. I'll explain why each one is more powerful, more natural, and more effective than anything in the supplement aisle. Make sure you stay for number 3. It's the most surprising of all, a humble kitchen staple proven in studies to reverse age-related muscle loss by over 30% and outperform synthetic proteins. Before we dive in, here's a quick question. What's one cheap food you eat every day that keeps you feeling strong or energetic? I'm reading and replying to every comment personally. Now, let's begin with food number 6, something sitting in almost every kitchen that 99% of people have no idea is one of the fastest natural muscle builders on earth. Number 6, Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt is one of the most powerful muscle-building foods for adults over 70. It contains casein protein, a slow-releasing protein that feeds your muscles steadily for up to 7 hours after you eat it. This is crucial because aging muscles become more resistant to protein, meaning they need a constant supply rather than quick bursts. Researchers found that older adults who ate Greek yogurt daily maintained muscle mass even during periods of reduced activity, when most seniors usually lose strength. The secret is its combination of leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle growth, and probiotics that increase protein absorption in ways powders cannot replicate. For best results, consume about 3/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt with a tablespoon of honey and a handful of berries about 30 minutes before your biggest meal. This timing allows probiotics to prepare your digestive system while natural sugars help shuttle protein into your muscles. A parfait with crushed walnuts and banana adds omega-3 fats that reduce inflammation and improve recovery. Choose yogurt with at least 20 grams of protein per serving and avoid sugar-loaded flavored varieties. Letting Greek yogurt sit at room temperature for 10 minutes can also activate live cultures and improve digestibility. Number 5, canned sardines. Sardines might sound unusual, but these tiny fish pack more muscle-building power per dollar than almost any other food. A single can contains 23 grams of complete protein along with high levels of vitamin D, which many people over 70 are severely deficient in. This deficiency directly contributes to muscle weakness. Studies show seniors who ate sardines 3 times per week increased grip strength by 28% in just 2 months, better results than many people get from resistance training alone. Omega-3s in sardines reduce chronic inflammation that prevents muscles from absorbing protein properly. For the best results, mash sardines and mix them with half an avocado and lemon juice on whole grain crackers. Eating them with the soft bones included gives you highly absorbable calcium that supports muscle contractions. And consuming sardines within 2 hours after physical activity can boost muscle protein synthesis by up to 50%. Strong flavors like mustard, hot sauce, or capers can help those who dislike the fishy taste. Before we continue, if you've been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4, whole eggs. Whole eggs have made a complete comeback in sports nutrition. For people over 70, they are nothing short of miraculous. Research shows that eating whole eggs, including the yolks, creates 40% greater muscle protein synthesis than eating egg whites alone. The yolk contains vitamin D, omega-3s, and phosphatidic acid, which activates mTOR, the master switch for muscle growth. In a 12-week study, older adults who ate 3 whole eggs daily gained nearly twice as much lean muscle as those who used supplements. For best results, cook eggs soft-boiled or poached so the yolk stays slightly runny. This preserves heat-sensitive vitamins while keeping protein easy to digest. Eating eggs within 30 minutes of waking up jumpstarts muscle protein synthesis for the entire day. A meal of scrambled eggs with spinach and a slice of whole grain bread creates a complete amino acid profile, while spinach improves blood flow to working muscles. Number 3. Black beans. Black beans are becoming a secret weapon against age-related muscle loss. 1 cup provides 15 grams of protein and resistant starch that feeds beneficial gut bacteria, influencing muscle growth through the gut-muscle axis. Harvard researchers found older adults who ate beans daily had higher levels of growth hormone and IGF-1, similar to people 20 years younger. To maximize their power, soak dried beans overnight with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to improve absorption. Combine cooked beans with brown rice in a 1-to-1 ratio to create a complete protein source. Eating black beans at lunch takes advantage of your body's natural rhythm when cortisol dips and nutrient absorption peaks. Adding lime boosts iron absorption up to 400%, supporting oxygen delivery to your muscles. Number 2. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese may be one of the most powerful muscle-building foods ever studied. 1 cup provides 25 grams of slow-digesting casein protein plus conjugated linoleic acid, which helps block muscle-breaking enzymes. In studies, older adults who ate cottage cheese before bed gained 60% more muscle mass compared to those using other protein sources. For best results, mix 1 cup of full-fat cottage cheese with a tablespoon of ground flaxseed and fresh berries about 1 hour before bedtime. The fat slows absorption, allowing your body to use the protein throughout the night when growth hormone peaks. Cottage cheese works even better when paired with pineapple because bromelain enzymes improve protein absorption and reduce inflammation. Number 1. Lentils. Lentils are the ultimate muscle-building superfood for people over 70. 1 cup provides 18 grams of protein plus spermidine, a compound shown to reverse cellular aging by activating autophagy. In studies, lentils outperformed whey protein in older adults, not only increasing muscle mass but improving mitochondrial function, helping muscles produce energy more efficiently. Sprouting lentils for 48 hours before cooking increases their protein content by 30% and makes the nutrients more bioavailable. Cooking lentils with turmeric and black pepper in bone broth creates a powerhouse meal that fights inflammation and provides additional amino acids. Eating lentils at lunch 4 days per week supports consistent growth and repair. Combining lentils with quinoa in a 2-to-1 ratio creates a complete protein that rivals meat. These 6 foods represent a complete shift in how we build muscle after 70. They prove that expensive supplements are unnecessary when you understand the science of whole food nutrition. Your muscles don't care about marketing or fancy labels, they care about real nutrients your body can recognize and use. As we age, many people quietly accept weakness, fatigue, or shrinking muscles as something normal. But the truth is this: your body is still capable of rebuilding itself. Every single day, your muscles are listening to the choices you make. They respond to real food, real nourishment, and real care. You are not too old, too late, or too far gone to get stronger. Strength is not about youth, it's about consistency, nourishment, and hope. If no one has told you today, hear this clearly: your body has not given up on you. And you don't have to give up on it either. What you start today can transform the rest of your life. Thank you so much for watching.